Hi, this is Vineet David, Assistant Professor of SNS Institutions, Beachpoint. So today we are going to look an overview of what is project management and the definitions and scope. So basically, what is project management? A project management is the discipline of applying specific processes and principles to initiate, plan, execute, and manage the implementations of the project. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. The main goal of a project management is to achieve all the project goals within the given constraints. So these are the overview of definitions of what is project management. So yes, the project management is application to knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet project requirements. Yes, so all these are united in one place and it should be managed by one place so that the process of the project will be in a straight flow of line. So as we come across these five phrases repeatedly in this process, so these are all the main elements of this project management. Initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closing projects are the five stages of this project management, where we will look into repeatedly as it is the main core of this project management is of. So yes, on this point of time, let us look into some scopes as well as the examples of this project management. So yes, scope refers to the boundaries of the projects. It defines what includes what included with what included and what is not. Managing scope is crucial because it is ensures that all stakeholders have a clear understanding of what the project is delivered and what will not. So yes, without knowing this, the stakeholders as well as the employees as well as the project managers cannot work on to situations. Okay, think of one situation. So if your higher official telling you to do a job, but he doesn't tell you what to do and he doesn't give you what job should be done, so what will you do on that sort of time? Will that be a sufficient code for you to ensure that you are doing your work or not? So on that point of time, it should be clearly defined to the stakeholders as well as the team members or like IT members to the employees, where they need to get to know what should be work and when it should be done off. So the key components of this scope is for like the project objectives. So these specific measurable goals that projects aims to achieve objectives should be in a SMART. Okay, let us elaborate the SMART. The SMART stands for S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, and T for time bounds. So yes, this SMART objective should be attained very properly because it should be in a specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. What is specific? That specific, the project where it should be on a one point of line and it should be in a specific task. Measurable is like the measuring things that it can be done through all this sort of resources. Achievable is a kind of this project, it should be completed with the surrounded of like circumstances as well as the accuracy, and it should be relevant for the team which we are hiring for. And the time bounds, it should be maintained. Time management is more important in every other places. For example, a project objectives for a construction project might be to build a residential complex within 50 apartments in 18 months, so within the budget of 20 lakhs. So yes, these are the examples. So we do have the objectives, we do have the measurables, achievables, relevance, and time bounds within this examples. So yes, what are all the milestones that will be faced off? These are the significant points in this project timelines that indicate the processes. For the marketing campaign, milestones might include completion of marketing research, like the launching advertisements and analyze the campaigns effectively. So everything have their own. So why this let us look into like importance of like scope management too. So scope creep, we do have like scope creeps. So what is it? Uncontrolled changes or continuous growth in this project scope can lead to delay or like cost overrun and project failures. So effective scope management helps in like preventing scope creep by ensuring the changes are carefully evaluated and managed. Stakeholders aligned. By defining the scope clearly, all stakeholders have a shared understanding of projects and their boundaries, and reducing likelihood of uh, conflicts of misaligned expectations. So I hope you would have got some idea of what is it. So in the conclusion, like project management is a vital for successful project delivery by understanding these definitions and scopes. Thank you so much.